you're locked out of your CasaOS and ZimaBoard when you're outside your local network, and getting access is crucial right now. This guide will show you exactly how to regain control and access your server from anywhere in the world. First, we need to set up dynamic DNS to give your server a consistent address on the internet, even if your IP changes. Then, we'll configure port forwarding on your router, which acts like a direct line to your ZimaBoard, telling your router exactly where to send incoming requests. If those steps don't immediately solve it, the issue often lies in network security, which leads us to method 3, establishing a secure VPN connection. This creates an encrypted tunnel, making it as if your remote device is directly on your home network, granting seamless access. Finally, we'll reinforce your security by configuring the CasaOS firewall. This isn't just about getting access, it's about making sure that access is secure and reliable, so you can manage your ZimaBoard and CasaOS environment with confidence, no matter where you are.